Hi, I'm Dr. Meneline Wong, an OBGYN and a visual artist. My artwork is made of acrylic and with resin. Ginawa ko na siyang 3D before kasi flat lang, 2D lang yung artwork ko. But since I want to evolve, kaya ginawa ko siyang 3D. I want to remind people na our ocean or our environment, it's not just a distant body of water, but it has life. So, our artworks always a reminder na pinapakita natin yung fragility and at the same time yung beauty ng environment natin. I want to inspire other people na we should always protect and care for environment. I want to invite everyone on Plasticon 2025 on July 24 to 25 at New MSI Building, UP Diliman. See you there. Ako si Meneline Wong, isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isa pong artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista.
Isang artista
Para sa kalikasan.